Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the sales over 3 periods of time. Here you can see I have data for in the year of 2018, 2019 and 2020. So let's check. First we have months and we have country and we have sales. Suppose you want to check India's sales over 3 year of periods. So for this I have already written a VBA code which will calculate sales for specific country for the three mentioned years. So first you will add a command button. Then just right click and then just right click and assign macro. So we will select the cells and now just click here and press desired country's name and press OK. So it will give you the total sales of the mentioned 3 years. So if we check for Japan, then it is given as output of 3723. So let's calculate manually. Here we have seen only one Japan is available. So it's 1241, then 1241 again, and in the year of 2020 it's 1241. So equal to 1241 plus 1241 plus 3723. So it's matching. So now let's check the code. For this you have to click on the developer tab and open the Visual Basic editor. So I have write code in the module 1. First you have to declare variables. I have declared country as string, total as integer, because total will contain only the numeric values, and sheet as worksheet, I as integer. So total equal to 0 I have already defined, and it will take by using the input box, it will take the user input, okay, and then I have write down the for each loop which will check each sheet, and then I have write the for loops which will check row 2 to row 13. If there is the country is present, then what it will do, if the row number and the column number 2 value is equal to country which the user have put, then it will do total plus sheet dot sales I3 dot value. That means if in column B the inputted country is present, then it will sum, it will take this value, column C value, and then it will store in the total variable. So if end here, next I means till the time it's not 13 it will run, and then next sheet, if the 13 is completed in the first sheet, then it's move into the next sheet. After that it will taking the value from all the sheets and will store in the total variable, and it will give an output of in the message box. So let's check once more time. Suppose you want to check for UK, so it's given output of 17634. So that's it for this video.